Supply and demand, that's the strategy we are going to use today to know when to buy and sell stocks for swing trading and long-term investing. And the cool thing is we are only using one free, simple indicator on a free platform for trading any stocks of the world, such as which are trading at the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ of USA, TSX or Toronto Stock Exchange of Canada, BSE, which is the Bombay Stock Exchange, and NSE, which is the National Stock Exchange of India, Euronext, Shanghai Stock Exchange, London, German, Hong Kong, Australian stock exchanges, and many, many more. Hello, my name is David Das. I'm a retired engineer, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Think and Retire. In this channel, I talk about building wealth and income from the stock market. So let's get started. What you are seeing today is the website tradingview.com, and I'm on the free version. Obviously, in the free version, there are some limitations. On the basic package, you will see that you can only have one watch list and 30 stocks in one watch list. So now what I have done is I have added the 30 stocks which are on the Dow 30, as you can see here. And this is Dow 30, that's my watch list name. And that's the maximum I can input in my watch list on the free package. Now, why did I choose Dow 30? I have chosen Dow 30 because these are blue chip companies, well-known and international brands. You can have your own watch list for your own region. You may have your favorite stocks. You can add them to your watch list. Now, what I'm going to do right now is to show you how to add one indicator for the supply and demand. What's the difference between supply and demand and support and resistance? In my opinion, on layman's term, support and resistance is for short term and supply and demand is for the long term. So now I'm adding one indicator and I'm typing supply and demand. And I'm using the first indicator. If you want to know more about this indicator, you can look at the source code and also has more information on this link. And now with the indicator on the chart, I'm going to the settings and I'm going to change a couple of things. Number one and number two is the color. So my main objective is to buy stocks when they are in the orange area and sell when they are in the green area, which is the supply zone. Basically, what happens when the price goes down, the demand increases. So that's the orange zone. And when the prices goes up, the supply increases because they want to sell it. So that's the philosophy behind this. But within this supply and demand, there are many small support and resistances, as you can see. People who do swing trading holds their position for few weeks to few months. And for long-term investing, the holding period is over 5 years. But for our discussion, we will use 3 to 4 years for long-term investment. We will use the weekly chart for long-term investment of about 3 to 4 year window. Now let's go through this list and see which stocks are in the orange area. To save you time, I have gone through the list and I have found 2 stocks which are in the orange area on the weekly chart. One of them is Johnson & Johnson. If I believe in this company, and if I think this price range, which is about 144 to 150, that's the right range to get in, I will place my order with proper risk management in place. The next stock I found was Nike. If I believe in this company, and if I think the price is right in the $90, $95 range, I will try to get in and use proper risk management technique. We will use the daily chart for swing trading. We are now looking at the daily chart of Apple. So you can do the same exercise, go through the list and find out which stocks are in the orange zone if you want to buy it at that price. I have found 5 stocks now which are in the orange zone. Number 1 is Boeing. Second one is Cisco. The third one is Intel. Then I found Johnson & Johnson and Nike. If you believe in these companies and if you plan to buy these companies at these prices, you can place your order and make sure that you use proper risk management tools. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and share. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you do not miss my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.